Such a beauty, shine through, let it shine through. You are the rain. NeeCJae by NeeCJae. Hey you guys, it's me NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with a makeup review. Late makeup review on the Shiseido foundation. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. So this foundation says it's Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation. It is oil free and it has a broad spectrum, an SPF of 30 in it. So I've already applied my regular serums and I usually use a SPF tinted moisturizer, but I am not today, being that it already has a SPF in it, which is great. So I just picked up this foundation and this is the shade 410 Sunstone. So I ordered it offline, so we're gonna see if it is my shade. I hope it is. Okay, so my skin is already moisturized and I always like to make sure my skin is thoroughly moisturized before I use a foundation. This foundation states that it is a weightless foundation that synchronizes with the skin and self-refreshes non-stop for up to 24 hours. Just apply and it looks, has a flawless finish. It has a natural finish, you know, and it says it's the skin type. It is for normal, dry, combination, and oily. So yes. Okay, so now let's see. Hopefully I picked the right shade. It looks a little rich, just a tad. So it's not real thick. It's not real runny. It's right in between. I'm just gonna take a little bit. Oops, I have some moisturizer on my face. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and apply. And so right now, any foundation is gonna be a little dark because my skin, my complexion right now is just light. Light. Cannot wait for the summer. Blending it, it looks pretty good. Doesn't look too bad off of a shade, so which is great. So it is a medium finish. I'm just gonna add a couple of more taps of this. Let's finish applying, and I'm applying with my brush because I want to see how it applies with my brush first, and then I will use my sponge. Okay, as you all see right now, it doesn't look bad as actually this blends very well. As I'm looking at my skin, it looks like a pretty good match. Okay, so I matched pretty good. This is 410 Sunstone. I always like to I don't know, pat it in for just a more natural skin-like finish, which it looks very good now. Very good. Okay, so let me see. Right now, it is 8:10 in the morning. 8 a.m. It is. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face and come back, and then we're gonna test this throughout the day, and I will let you know my final thoughts. So give me just a moment. I'll come right back. Okay, so far I think this foundation looks really well. It's very lightweight. I do not feel it at all so far. This foundation is on the pricier side. It's $47, and let's see, it is 1 fluid ounce. So yeah, I'm gonna see how this makeup does throughout the day, but I'm telling you, it feels really good on my skin so far. And I know this is the first it's the first not even 30 good minutes. So yeah, we're gonna see, and I will come back, give you my final. So far this is just in natural lighting. So far so good. It looks still pretty daggone good. It is about 12 o'clock p.m. about 4 hours, so 4 hours so far, and it looks great. My skin feels good. It hasn't tightened up on me. It hasn't really oxidized. This lighting looks okay. Yeah, you can see it a little bit better. So far I like the way it looks. It looks really good. So yeah, we'll see. See you back in a few. It is now 5:02. Okay, Eastern Standard Time, 5:02. All right, so let's talk about it. Okay, so we know this foundation, Shiseido. I am in the shade 410. And this says that it has a broad spectrum of 30, which is the SPF of 30, which is great. I haven't did a flashback test to see if, you know, it is a flashback. Normally with SPF products, it usually is, but that is okay. It says that self-refreshing, synchronizing skin. So it actually refreshes itself throughout the 24 hours. So it's been about 9 hours since I've had this on my skin. And I'm gonna tell you, my skin actually feels pretty good. I haven't touched up anything except my lipstick, okay? So I just applied my lipstick. And so far, I think it's done pretty well. It's held up. I do not look extremely dry. My skin it doesn't feel dry, I'll say that. However, it's on the verge of feeling like I do need a refresher, like maybe a hydrating facial mist of some sort that I usually do sometimes throughout the day, but I haven't done that at all. Okay, right now it doesn't look, let's see. I do not see any dry patches. I see a little bit of my pores right here peeking through. A little bit of pores, which sometimes I never really have issues with pores. So I see, like I did bring it right here, but I do see that my eyes normally do not crease, but I do see a little creasing up in this area. Well, it may just be my eyes, but I don't know. I don't know whether it's just tightening around here for making it that way. I'm not really sure, but my skin overall feels pretty good. Like I said, this says it's for all skin types. It is oil free and it is $47. I'm in the shade 410 Sunstone. So yes, so far I like this foundation, and I'm gonna try to wear it a few more times just to see my final thoughts. But my final thoughts right now, and I will update you later on what how my face really felt after everything. Okay, and I was outside today. It is freezing. To me, it's in the 20s here in North Carolina. Okay, so the air is very brisk, very cool, and I've been up and through about today running errands and doing things in this cooler weather, and my skin still feel good without me refreshing, you know, my skin. So yeah, so far so good. This is gonna go right up there with my Double Wear Estee Lauder and my Charlotte Tilbury and my NARS. This seems like this might push its way on in there as well, because it's very lightweight, and so far I like the way my skin looks. It still has like a shine to it. Anyway guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. As always, for my new subscribers, welcome. You are now part of the NeeCJae family. If you like makeup reviews and you want me to continue doing these, please give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and click that notification bell, because every time I upload a video, you'll be the first one notified. Anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.